Welcome to Money Talks, the ultimate financial news upload, where knowledge meets empowerment. Join the money getter duo, CC and Cecil B, as we unravel the mysteries of finance Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. From the latest in fintech, cryptocurrencies, real estate, electric vehicles, IPOs, and Wall Street, to the rise of robotics and AI, we cover it all. So tune in as we shine the spotlight on how Black entertainers and creators alike are shaping finance and tackling IPOs, giving you the information you need to thrive in today's economy. This is Money Talks.
Good evening. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and I'm doing your daily 8 p.m. Money Talks upload. So today we're going to be talking about Black-owned fintech firms and how they are providing Black entrepreneurs with a litany of financial offerings. There have been a significant increase in the number of Black-owned fintech firms that are supporting Black and minority entrepreneurs and businesses and customers in numerous ways. Black entrepreneurs still face racism and discrimination when it comes to the banking industry. However, Black fintech firms have stepped up to provide capital, tech, financial literacy, investing, and provide a sense of community to Black entrepreneurs. In doing so, Black fintech firms are also bringing entrepreneurs of color together to collaborate and teach financial literacy to young children and adults. One notable Black-owned fintech company is Greenwood, a firm started by the rap killer Mike, Render, and others. The platform, named after the Tulsa OK community where Black Wall Street once stood, is creating brighter financial options to support Black and brown people and businesses. Greenwood offers a number of banking features, including checkings and savings accounts with no overdraft fees, no in-network ATM fees, and no minimum balance. According to Greenwood, it has raised over more than $80 million in venture capital funds rounds to invest and help Black and minority. Obviously, we need the broader capital markets to work more proportionally for Black and brown folks. Pendulum's CEO, Robbie Robinson, who led a $45 million capital funding round for Greenwood, told Forbes last year. The rise of Black-owned fintech firms began during the early days of the pandemic when millions of Americans were laid off almost overnight, and small business owners were scrambling to find funds from the Paycheck Protection Program to stay afloat. During the pandemic, Black businesses, large and small, struggled to get PPP loans from traditional banks, leaving Black entrepreneurs to rely on fintech firms and Black-owned banks to get loans. According to the Washington Post, Black-owned small businesses were 70% more likely to get PPP loans from fintech firms than from traditional banks. Everett Sands, the CEO of Lendistry, a small business lender that provided grants to small and micro businesses in New York during COVID-19 pandemic, told Black Enterprise that Black fintech firms are providing new ways for Black and minority entrepreneurs to get the financial and technical resources they need at almost every level of their entrepreneurial stage, something big banks just can't do, and they might not be interested in. I think it's great. I think the more vehicles we have in terms of access to capital, the better. I think there'll be a cultural competence that we'll just see that allows some sort of these lenders to adjust according to the needs of our community as well. And that can lead to things such as alternative credit models and maybe provide an alternative process to how we provide access to capital as well as the basics of responsible lending so that our communities don't have to go towards predatory lending and other sources that may not act responsibly. Black-owned fintech firms are also providing their clients with a sense of community. Many Black fintech platforms include memberships featuring events, meet and greets, and happy hours that bring Black entrepreneurs together to share ideas, collaborate, and support each other. That is our core mission and core value that we see in this space, and at the end, it really brings us back to the concept of benefits that nesting with other entrepreneurs have on their business. Entrepreneurship is lonely, and so to bring people together to combat that is important, but it's also an experience that is misunderstood, and being able to bring entrepreneurs at different stages together helps their journey. You just finished an episode of Money Talks. Let me know how you're feeling in the comments below, and make sure to check out our other YouTube channel, 734 Listening Library for self-help books and shorts. See you at the top. Holla!